Hi, I'm Todd Hudgel from MarineMax, and this is Grady-White's newest model, the Grady-White 326 Canyon. The boat has large, comfortable helm seating, plenty of space for lots of people. Also, these backrests fold out to give you support while you're fishing from the bow, with your rod holder right here. 3 across helm seating for a comfortable ride out and a comfortable ride back. Huge space for electronics. This boat already has a 16-inch Garmin display. Helm master make docking a breeze, and it has fish point to hold you on your fishing spot. It's got a huge live well, great bait station, lots of storage drawers and storage space, plenty of rod holders. It's a fishing machine. Powered with twin 300 Yamahas, the boat will run over 50 miles an hour, gets on plane in a couple of seconds, and gets great economy at cruise speed. Come on down to MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Check out Grady-White's newest model for yourself.